Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Puente Valley local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of experienced movers can ensure your long-distance move goes easily. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 3,000 miles away, our team will assist. Our moving services give you all the right choices to individualize your move for your particular requirements. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, our experts also provide lots of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the cost when choosing a California moving company. However, when you begin to recognize the benefits, the cost seems to be well worth it. You get the benefit of saving time on your local move, which could be well worth it. Movers can also ensure you don't have to worry about injury since you will not need to do any heavy lifting. Our expert movers provide effectiveness with each and every single move. 3 Movers understands how to improve your move. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Puente Valley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.